We're in Bansko and we are off to check out the longest water slide in Europe, which is roughly how long?
It's long. I don't know how long it is.
Is it fast? No.
Yeah, I think you do end up being fast. They say it really goes up your nose and in your eyes, and I can see that my swimming suit is going to go up my butt.
Right. So yeah, it should be fun. Excited, boys?
Yeah.
As well to the water slide?
Yeah.
So it's apparently the gondola's walking distance from the hotel.
But we're going to the bakery first to get some
Food.
food.
And yeah, the gondola takes us up to where the slide is, and then we've got to wake up to the top of the slide from there. So let's check it out.
How much fish do we have to go?
I have no idea.
I hope there's no move.
I don't know.
It might take a bit. No way we're going all the way up there.
Things we do for our kids, eh? Water slides at the mountains in Bulgaria. It's quite a slog. Getting old. Hi. Oh.
It's freezing the water.
Yeah.
Will we go?
Wait a second, you're gonna do it for the first time?
Yes.
Boys, you should stay laid down on the back, feet forward, keep them close, and your hands here, upon your mouth and nose. A lot of water going to spray straight into your faces, that's why hands here.
Have I got to breathe?
Really?
Yeah?
If during the slide you feel like it's kind of difficult to breathe, instead of laying down, go into a sitting position, like for a few seconds, take a breath, and then again lay down.
Off you go, mate.
Let's go.
You ready? Remember what he said, if it's hard to breathe, sit up.
3,
2, 1, go!
Oh my god.
Right, ready, steady, go! Lay down.
I'm going. Thank you. Woo! Are you alright?
I can breathe now.
Holy crap, man, that goes so fast. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it's really fast.
Oh
Isn't it?
my god.
Off to the next adventure at the top of the Bansko Mountains. Right, you ready, boys? Right, you doing that one first?
Okay, ready? Ready?
This one first.
No.
He wouldn't let me hold on to it at the top, so I had to whip it out halfway down.
Oh my god.
Well done, mate. Well done. How was that, boys?
Yes.
Yeah?
I don't know, I feel like I have one more.
No, I think you've done the 5 now.
Yeah, you've done fine. You did it, mate, and I'm really proud of you.
Yeah, we are really proud of you.
Can I check anyways?
Still doing that Andre? Oh.
Right, so, Mummy, what was your favourite part of the top of the Bansko Mountain?
It was definitely hopping into the gondola and really hitting my head. That then made me bite my tongue. No, okay, out of all of it, I think, do you know what? I'm glad I did the water slide, but I'm glad I only did it once. I don't think I'd want to do that again. It was just the whole breathing thing that was hard. But I really enjoyed, the coffee was good there. And I think it was that tubing one I enjoyed. It was quite cool.
Yeah?
Yeah. What about you?
Yeah, I think I enjoyed the water slide.
Did you enjoy seeing me hit my head on the gondola when we went in?
Yeah. I think I enjoyed the water slide most of all. It was difficult to breathe. Really annoyed that I got this set. The setting was wrong on the camera, and it is a time warp, so it shot past in about 2 seconds. But you managed to get some decent footage.
Yeah.
Oh, another water fountain.
The other slides were good fun as well, but I think they were more for younger kids. So, Jensen, what was your favourite?
I'm saying it's a difficult question because the big slide, yeah, was the longest and it was cool, but it was difficult to breathe.
Yeah.
For the ring, it was less, but it was fun.
Yeah.
So they're 50-50.
Okay, so we're walking up a lot of steps. I believe this is the way we go to see a pine tree that's over 1,000 years old. I'm already buggered. We haven't really gone that far. But we will see. If not, we'll burn some calories and then we'll try and find the correct path. But there's loads of people camping here. Yeah, I'd be interested to see in the winter time if this is
everything's busy. I guess this is more of a summer thing. But it's really quite cool up here with the shacks and all that as well. Beautiful scenery. So, more steps for the day. This tree is over 1,000 years old.
What is it?
So we made it.
1,300.
1,300.
Yeah.
I think God's white on them.
I see that branch must have snapped off. Look.
Other branches.
Yeah.